everybody, I'm Vanessa with Ronquita Custom Sewing and Design. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix when the zipper pull comes off its track. To repair a zipper where the zipper pull has come off its track on one side, you'll need a few things to start. You'll need some thread, a hand sewing needle, a needle threader if necessary, thread snips, paper scissors, not fabric scissors, and of course your zipper to be repaired. For this demo, I've mocked up a zipper that is off its track on one side, and this is made to look like a fly zipper somewhat, because it's not like a jacket where you would just start at the bottom and pull all the way up. This we have to actually create an opening in order for us to put it back on the zipper pull and then pull it back up. Then we'll create our own zipper stop so it won't come off again in the future. So to do that, you go to the opposite side that you need cut, and then you snip into the zipper, get in between the teeth, and create a pretty decent opening. You can see that there. It's gonna fray a little. And then what you'll do is you'll pull the zipper pull all the way down. Then you'll shove it in there as best you can. If your zipper pull is facing up, it tends to be a little easier sometimes. And when you make this notch, you want to make it as low as possible on the zipper so you don't see it. Now I've put it back in. I'm going to pull it up. I don't want to go all the way off the edge because this demo does not have a zipper stop at the top. However, my zipper is now closed, but I still have this hole at the bottom. That's where your thread comes in. You'll take your thread, create a tailor's knot. If you don't know how to create a tailor's knot, look for the link on my site on how to do so. For this, I am using button thread because it's a little thicker. And then you'll simply just whip stitch as much as possible. When you have a pair of jeans or a pair of shorts, whatever the front fly is, you can do it from the front end so you can make sure that you don't see it. For this demonstration, I'm going to do it from the back end. You can also do it from the back end if you're able to get to it on your garment. And then you just push it in here and just stitch all the way around as many times as necessary to close up that hole. You should not be able to see it because it's underneath the fly part of your zipper. When you're done, you take your needle, you have your loop, pull your needle, back it up into that loop. That creates a knot. Do that one more time. Snip it off. And now you have a zipper that works. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some useful information out of this. Be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Ronquita Design and check out my website for more information.